Hey everyone. Well, those who know me know I'm a geologist, and as such, I don't tend to have a lot of interest in slag. I tend to show nicer rocks and collect naturally formed stuff. But today is an exception. I'm going to show you some unusual pieces here. I'm going to go into my cabinet of wonders here. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that gets thrown in the back. In fact, I'm going to start off down here, not up the top. And pull a couple of pieces out from the back here. Kind of curious looking, isn't it? What we got here? Yeah, nothing nice. Here's a bigger piece. There we go, awfully heavy. All right, so what are we looking at with these pieces here? Let's see if the warm light or the cold light here does it better. So the copper in the copper country tends to form as a replacement mineral. It tends to come in and it fills cracks and it replaces other minerals typically. If these pieces look a little bit weird, a little unnatural to you, it's because they are. These are actually bricks from copper smelting furnaces in the UP. And copper treats those bricks the same way it treats any other rock or mineral. It goes in there and it starts to replace the bricks themselves. It comes through. It infiltrates the bricks and replaces all the clay or the easier to reach stuff with itself, with copper. And it even replaces the mortar. Here we see mortar that was between the two bricks that's been replaced with copper. Got a few nicer pieces in these, believe it or not. I keep these ones up top in a side corner of the cabinet of wonders here. Let's see here. It's a lovely piece. When the lighting is right, you really catch a nice metallic shine off of these guys. I don't care for the way it looks under the warm light bulbs. Let's see what else we've got in here. Let's see here. Oh, that was nice. Got quite a lot of copper in that brick. So for those of you who are interested in slag, well, this is kind of your holy grail. These are the smelting furnace bricks that had to be replaced because they were too filled in with copper. They basically became ineffective because, metal transmits heat. You don't want all that heat leaking out of your furnace. Look at that sheet of mortar that was replaced with copper there. So, this was just one of many bricks in the furnace. And that copper just works its way right in and replaces the mortar and the brick itself. Really remarkable pieces. Just a few more neat things in my cabinet of wonders here. Hope you enjoyed.